Hey Tom, how are you? My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing, and I spoke with Sierra today about sending over a quick video with some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. So Tom, as you can see right here, I've got your website pulled up, and it's not a bad website at all. I really like the logo. And I like the layout of your website. It's pretty nice, pretty clean website. But if I had to make a suggestion, it would be to add more content. Google loves content. There needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save photos and videos as keywords as well, because these images count as content as well. So I'm going to show you here. This is saved as aluminum fence. You can save that as fencing company, Louisville, Kentucky, fence repair, Louisville, Kentucky. Something that describes a service in the city that you're in is considered a buyer intent keyword. Also, would recommend having more ways to convert up here at the top of your page, because a lot of times people want to call, email, text, chat. Most people are searching on their cell phone, so if you had a number up here, they could just click the button on a click to call, get right through to your office. Some people are a little more shy and they'd rather have a chat feature, or they'd rather have a form submit here, or a way to email you. So having more options and more varieties for your customers to get in touch with you would help as well. Now, Tom, what I've done is I'll put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So right here is your UR and your DR. This is the strength and the trust that your website has with Google. And this is out of 100. So you want to keep these numbers balanced and moving up continuously. You've got 18 backlinks and 16 referring domains. And a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, as of right now, you're being found for 27 keywords, and you've got about 10 people coming to your website a month. Not bad at all. But you definitely want to increase that number. You know, if you get 300 or 400 people coming to that website each month and you close even 5% of them, that'd be a lot of new jobs for you. So as I'm looking through here, I'm not noticing really any keywords. Fence companies, Louisville, Kentucky is a keyword phrase. It's getting 500 searches a month, and the keyword difficulty is 10. So these are out of 100. And the closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. So this right here, if you're on the first page, just this one buyer intent keyword phrase, 500 people each month are searching for fence companies, Louisville, Kentucky. And again, if you're on the first page, you're going to get a percentage of that volume that comes to you. Now, I want to show you something just in comparison here. This is your number one competitor, and this is their backlinks, but look at the organic traffic that's being driven to their website each month. 322 people. So 5% of that's 15 jobs a month extra just from their website. So here is Fence Company Louisville, Kentucky. Fence Companies Louisville, Kentucky. See, they've got a lot of keywords crammed in here. So with this tool, I'm able to find these keywords, and I'm able to actually put these in your content as well. So that's the point of having these keywords in your content, because embedded in your content needs to be keywords like these that people are searching each month. That way, when it's in your content in here, and the Google bots go over these sites 24/7. So the more content you have with keywords, the more pings you're going to get. The more pings you get, the more it's going to move you up towards the top of that page. Now, what I've actually done here is put in fencing companies, Louisville, Kentucky, and here is your map pack right here. And this is where you want to be. You would definitely want to be in these top 3. And you're not here right now, and that's totally okay, because there's several ways to get here. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out. And don't forget to add keywords in there as well, Tom, because this is going to help you get to that top 3. By posting branded geotags and geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically. And that's like I was showing you here with the photo. Make sure that you're naming these or renaming them as buyer intent keywords. So what you want to do is add something called citations as well. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, White Pages, because at the end of the day, Google's just a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it's going to make Google start to trust you more, and it's going to boost your business as well. And that's not just for your immediate area, but that also trickles out into the surrounding areas as well, so you can gobble up that business from the cities around you. Now, being on the Google Map Pack is going to give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website each month, and it's going to give you a call right from there. Now, down here at the bottom, this is your organics. This is where 60 to 70% of your business is going to come from. This is your number 1 competitor right here, Metro Fence. And again, let's see, they're not saving their images correctly, and as you see, they don't have a lot of content either. So by implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those keywords and backlinks in there as well. Now, again, with this tool, it allows me to go in here and see what your number 1 competitors are being found for. And I can also find other keywords that are not inside your competitors' websites, and we can add those to your website as well. The more keywords you have with these mass volumes, the more you're going to start ranking. Once you get on that first page, you're going to get 10 to 37% of each and every single one of these keywords that's going to be embedded into your content. Again, you can see there's a decent amount of volume here. So once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and a percentage of that is going to give you a call. And then depending on your guys' close rate, Tom, you're going to turn them into customers. I really hope this video was helpful. Again, I'd love to hear some feedback. Tom, if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me, and feel free to ask anything, because I can be a resource for you also. Again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Hope you have a blessed day.